Well, hey everybody, it's Ryan over here at the Trawf. Welcome to this episode. We're going to be cooking outside as usual tonight, out on the back patio on the Blackstone Griddle. We're going to be making some cashew chicken. So I'm going to put a link to the recipe that I'm using down below. I've never made this before, so I pulled the recipe off of Pinterest, and I'll make sure and link that up down in the comments section. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and enjoy this episode and share it with your friends. Welcome to the Trawf. Alright, so I went ahead and got about 2 pounds of chicken breasts, which I diced up here into 1-inch dice. And we're going to go ahead and cover that with 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. The recipe called for 1/4 cup of cornstarch, but because I added a little more chicken than recommended, I went ahead and increased the cornstarch a little bit. We're also going to add in some kosher salt and black pepper. And we'll just toss that to cook. I'll gather up the rest of the ingredients and I'll meet you outside. Alright, so I got the Blackstone warming up. The ingredients are cashews, sweet chili sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and ketchup, but we're going to use our homemade sauce for that instead, and a little extra corn sauce to thicken it at the end. So let's get the chicken going now. So if you're doing this recipe in a skillet, you're going to want to do it in batches so it doesn't get too cool. But the good thing about having the Blackstone is I've got plenty of surface area. 2 pounds of chicken, no problem at all. We'll let that sit and start to brown up, and then we'll stir it around. In the meantime, let's put together the sauce. All right, so we have a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, the brown sugar, the chili sauce, and the ketchup, or in this case, our version of ketchup. And we'll whisk that up to combine. Alright, so now that the chicken is pretty much done, we're going to go ahead and ad-lib the recipe just a little bit here. I'm going to move the chicken off the hot part of the grill. Going to add another teaspoon or so of vegetable oil. And we're going to saute the garlic and ginger just very quickly until it smells fragrant. I'm going to return the chicken to the hot side and mix it all together. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add our mixture from earlier right onto the Blackstone, right over the chicken, and we'll toss it with our cashews. Hi everybody, I'm getting to this wrap-up piece here a little bit late, but that came together really well. I had to modify the recipe a little bit because I cooked it on the Blackstone versus in a skillet. I'll put those details down below, the link which will be down below in the description. Anyways, this is going to go into our recipe box. You know, if we like to do stir fry on a regular basis, this is just kind of a way to change that up just a little bit. So very easy. Follow that link down below. It's awesome. Served it over white rice. Very, very simple to do on a weeknight. So if you like what you saw here, or you like some of the other other content that we've had, you know, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come along on our journey. We'd love to have you. Appreciate any comments you leave below. I'll get back to you either way. And I hope you have a really great day. Thanks so much for coming along. Have a good night.